Don't do it again.
Found it. No. It's kind of like scattered like Bendy's though. Not in one mound.
What's the exact thing?
What?
Go get the bag now. Omar, get the bag. Go ahead,
Oh, now you're shaking, huh?
Ready, puppies? Ready? Hey, puppies! Ready?
Mama, can you take him in the towel? Because although he might be running around, he's still soaking wet.
Here, give me a towel, and him.
The yellow one's drier. We had a visit to the fish pond. Three of them fell in the fish pond already.
Looks like I peed my pants. It'd be so uncomfortable. So
That's from Wet Puppy.
Huh?
That's from Wet Puppy.
No.
Look at
You
Daddy.
could have stuck your hand in that poop, and I would have laughed so hard. It's over there.
You know I'm recording this, right?
Yeah. What if that happened though?
That would be gross.
That would be so funny. I'd be mad. Oh, I wouldn't be. You big baby, what you doing?
So that's Hunter right there. And here is Patriot. And the backside of Hunter. No, I'm not sure who that is from this end. And Daddy has Harley in his lap because he fell in the pond. And that's Sadie, that's who we're keeping. And there's Wyatt, he went in the pond.
Bobby, hey, ready?
And Cooper, the black one, is behind him. And we have some girls up here. Let's see. That's Piper, new name Abby. Hey, sweetie. She was the first to go in the pond.
Big baby.
And there's Sadie over there again. And Ivy. And Wyatt.
Mama, Piper's just
Wyatt's the cream one.
baby.
And Hunter's over there in the deck.
Look at his majestic.
I think I got everybody on the video. And here's Harley. Look at that face.
Piper.
So I'm all wet.
Come here.
Look at that face.
Abby, Abby, Abby.
First time out on the grass.
She's so tiny. She's eating the plants. See, she's a big wimp.
I think we're about to take him home. Okay, say bye.
She's got